Sometimes I'm so busy, my Lord. Sometimes I go far beyond and away, and I forgot all about you. But here I am. I want to love you, my Lord, my God. I want to love you. I want to love you. Sometimes I'm so busy and I forget all about you. But when I feel down or have a problem, I'm rushing back to look for you. Here we go again. I want to love you. I want to love you, my Lord, my God. I want to love you. I want to love you. Subscribe for more songs, and you can also watch and share it with people you love. Sometimes we have problems, sometimes we are faded away by too many things in this world and distracted by lots of things in this world. But our loving God is always love us in so many ways, and He always loves us in so many ways. He never forget us. He always loves us and want us to hug Him and want us to walk side by side with Him. But when He's far away and you are busy with the world things and you forget about Him, He's in tears for loves of you. So people, share all our videos that you love about it. And you know, when you feel down, He is the great comforter. He always wants to see you. I want to see you. I want to see you. Only wanted to see you. I'm going to put that song out. I think maybe how many minutes, but it's one of my songs long times ago. But I'll put it out for you, and I hopefully you're gonna love about it. You know, God is a loving God. Jesus always loves you no matter what. Us, sometimes we only love someone because they love us, but we have to love everyone because God said, whatever you do to others, you do it to me. I love you, people, and make sure you always love the Lord thy God always. Thank you for watching, and I see you more song next time. Thank you for another blessing day. See how old I am now, already over 60, but I want to always try to love God no matter what the age I have, but you have to always love God always. Thank you watching, people, and I love you always. Thank you for another beautiful, awesome, blessing day.